Hi there, beautiful people! Welcome back to Amami Cucina. Today's recipe, I want to make something super creamy. Yes, amazing creamy pasta with mushroom. But I call it one pot pasta. And yes, everything is made in one pot. So it's pretty different. It's very close to the process of the risotto. So it's pretty similar, but it gives this creaminess that is insane. Guys, you have to try. So for this recipe, I'm using mushroom, I'm using coconut cream from an Indian store, I'm using spicy curry, and some other ingredients. I also use nutritional yeast that give this cheesy flavor. So what else? I'm so excited to show you, so let's start. Super, it looks amazing, and I guess it tastes even better. I'm going to try it. See? Delicious. Like my one pot pasta recipe, please put a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Ciao!